Good morning, students. Welcome back to our EVS class. This is the second part of the fourth chapter, Adaptation in Plants and Animals. In the previous session, we have been discussing about what is adaptation, why do animals need to adapt. In this session, let us continue our discussion on types of adaptations. Now let's see how different animals adapted to their environment. First, let us see what is adaptation. Special characteristics of plants and animals that enable them to live in a particular environment are termed as adaptation. There are various types of adaptations. Let us learn about few of them. Children, first of all, let us study about a new term, camouflage. Camouflage means the ability to stay hidden. So, children, what is camouflage? The ability to stay hidden. Now, let us study some examples of camouflage. Survival can become a challenging task in the wild, especially if you are smaller or slower than the possible predators. This is why many animal species have developed different ways to camouflage, that is blending itself with the environment. This enables the animal to hide from predators and also to catch up its prey. Let us study about some examples of camouflage. This is a stick insect. It completely blends with its environment. It looks like a stick itself. This way, it can hide from its predators and can catch its prey without making its prey getting to know of its presence. This is an owl. It completely blends itself with the trunk of the tree. This is a caterpillar. It is camouflaging itself on the leaves. Here we have another example of camouflage. It is very difficult to find toad. Can you find? This is the way this toad hides itself from its predators and can also catch its prey. Here is a small seahorse camouflaging itself in aquatic plants. Here is another insect camouflaging itself as a leaf. Children, next we shall study another way of adaptation, that is migration, which means to move from one area to another. So what is migration? To move from one area to another. Migration is another way of adaptation in animals. Animals travel a long way from one place to another for the sake of better weather, breeding, or better food. Animal migration is the traveling of long distances in search of a new habitat, breeding places, food, or better environment. The trigger of the migration may be the local climate, availability of food, or the season of the year. Bird migration is the regular seasonal journey undertaken by many species of birds. Birds' movements include those made in response to changes in food availability, habitat, or weather. Next, let us study some examples of different types of adaptations in plants. Some plants and animals change their physical characteristics to adapt to their surrounding. Plants like aloe vera and asparagus have thick leaves to retain water in the dry regions. In many plants, leaves get modified to perform special functions. Let us see some of them. Plants like cacti have thick leaves to prevent the loss of water in a desert region. Leaves of a lotus plant, which float on the surface of water, have a waxy surface so that water cannot penetrate easily. The needle-like leaves of the fir tree are adapted to survive in harsh and cold climatic conditions. They make the snow glide off the branches and do not allow it to accumulate. So children, today we have learned about some examples of different types of adaptations. Children, kindly note down the solved exercise given in the PDF. So children, thank you so much and have a nice day.